Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to filter by level. So let's get started. Once you have logged in, click everything at the top and click Lessons from the menu. Ellii levels are broken down into 8 level sections. Below each lesson section, you'll find the range of levels each section has materials for. Choose a section, and then click the button that says All Levels to filter. Once you click a level, you'll see the results below. You can browse through the materials. If you would like to go back to seeing all of the levels, click the X next to the level you've chosen. Whenever you'd like to choose a level again, just click All Levels and then pick your level. If you go to a lesson section and there's only one level available, or you do not see the level you are looking for, there is not yet any content available in that level. If you have any requests for a lesson to be made in a different level, please let us know. You can reach out to us on our Contact Us page. That's it for this video on how to filter by level. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.